Hello, welcome to Mydan computer training channel. We're so pleased that you join us to learn something very beautiful in this channel. In this tutorial, our attention will be focusing on bookmarking. To bookmark a page on internet. Wow, one will ask what is bookmark is all about. So please bear with me as I explain in a simple terms. Bookmark allows you to save or keep any files that you have or you have seen online and you want to go back to that page on the internet anytime, any day. So it allows you to book the URL of any given page, save it so that anytime you want, you will not need to start searching for it again. No, that's not necessary. Bookmark will allow you to just click on the save file and able to open it again. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you in a very simple way how you can do that yourself. Okay, I hope you're ready for me. Right, let's go to the business of the day. So you first of all I will close this. Okay, let's close. So we'll start together again. So first of all, you have to open a browser. We have different type of browser, so you just have to open the browser. So let's do that. When you open the browser, you know that you may have something in mind you want to search for. Or at times it could just be that not even what you were looking for, but you have seen something very much of interest to you that you want to get online, or you want to save it for future use. So bookmark allowed your URL to be saved so you can use it later. So let's get started. Okay, now this is the address bar. You could type whatever pleases you. But here, let us assume that we are going to search for information on Google. So I will just therefore have to enter the google.com. Alright, so after you have gotten that, maybe you are searching for, let's take for example, alright, let's just take history of man. Let us assume that that is what you are searching for. History of man. Good. So after searching for history of man, and in case you want to get this, you want to bookmark this, for example, human evolution according to Wikipedia. So after opening it, and you may want to bookmark this, so we're going to show you how you can bookmark this page. And in order for you to know what you have bookmarked and able to go back to what you have bookmarked, what to do. All right, come to this side of your screen where you have this tab on your address bar, where you always type your URL. So you click on it. You can see it there. It says bookmark this tab. Bookmark this tab. That means when you click, it will show you this little dialog box. You will see here name. What will you type under name? It is expected that you type what will help you remember whenever you come back to, or you are looking for that same particular page, particular tab. So type what you remember. In this case, human evolutions is absolutely good, so I will leave it this way. Okay, now in each of these, it creates a folder. This is a folder named bookmark bar. Okay, but I could choose something different that we will learn by coming in here for more. By for more, then we can choose to create a new folder and so on and so forth, but that won't be necessary. After which you will just click on save. Okay, when you click on save, what you have just done is simple. You have bookmarked it. It has joined all this. Can you see it here? Now I'm going to close this. Okay, after closing it, closing everything, I'm going to, assuming that I'm going back again to locate the file that I have bookmarked. Let's see whether we can be able to relocate or locate that same file again. So if you notice here, close to the address bar, do you notice that you have there, what do you see there? Human evolution. So just click on it. Good. So you can see on the screen human evolution. So this is exactly the tab or the page that we bookmark. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. So if you do enjoy the tutorial, subscribe, like, and leave your comments on the comment section. Share these videos and others too. You can know how to bookmark. So see you in our next video. Thanks so much.